Next one is dividing a line into equal parts. Okay, let us assume one line is given, AB line of some length. Okay, AB line is given. So let us take it is some 5 centimeter, or I am taking little bigger, 10 centimeter line is given. We have to divide this into some 6 equal parts. So this is the example I am taking here. We have to divide this AB line into 6 equal parts. Let us do first draw the given line, AB line. If you are using the drafter, use the drafter scale for doing all lines. So 10 centimeter, mark the end points here at 10, 1 point, B point, join AB. Now this is A, this is B. Here we have to divide into 6 equal parts. Just do one inclined line. Okay, this angle should be less than 30 degrees. Okay, take at some angle, don't take bigger angle, take the small angle line. Just do one line here. See, everything you have to do with pencil. Okay, so for visibility I am doing with pen. Here as I told, we did one line. This angle is less than 30 degrees. It is not necessary always we have to do this inclined line above this line. We can do the line here also. Just roughly I am doing. We can take the line, inclined line. Okay, this angle should be less than 30 degrees. Okay, now I am taking above the line. So I did one line here. After that, take some radius, any radius, by using the compass. So here we have to divide into 6 equal parts. So with A as center, whatever radius we are taking here, small radius, just do an arc on this line. Similarly, this has the next center with the same radius, previous radius, do an arc with this same radius with this new center, divide this line into one part. Similarly here one part. So 6, like that we have to divide into 6 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What we did one inclined line. Okay, and we took some radius. With A as center, we have divided this line into 6 equal parts. The centers are changing. Initially center is A, after that this is the center. Okay, after that this is the center, like that. We did how many parts? 6 parts. Okay, here I am giving the name 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 points I have marked here. Now join this 6th one to B, last point, whatever last point is coming to the end point of the line. Join with pencil like this. Okay, now after that, by using the drafter, you keep one of the scale here and you do the parallel lines at all these points. Okay, like this. If you don't have drafter, after getting this line, just keep one of the set square. Okay, set square side should coincide with this, and take the scale. Okay, keep the scale here. Okay, keep tightly. Just tilt this on the scale. Okay, at 5th point, just do the parallel line. Okay, now tilt on the scale. Just at 4, do the line. Okay, make sure you should not tilt the scale here. Okay, we are getting the parallel lines. If you are doing like this line is parallel to this line is parallel to this. At 3rd one, do the line. Similarly, tilt it at 2nd one. Okay, do the parallel line here. Similarly, tilt it here at 1, do the parallel line. Okay, so you are getting the points here. 1, 2, okay, 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash. Here we got 6 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 parts we got. We will check whether those parts are equal length or not. Just by using the compass, I am keeping at A1 dash. Similarly, check this length whether it is same or not. Okay, so it is also same, and it is also same, it is also same. Okay, it is also same, and here it is also same. Got 6 equal parts. A1 dash is equal to 1 dash, 2 dash is equal to 2 dash, 3 dash. Okay, is equal to 3 dash, 4 dash is equal to 4 dash, 5 dash is equal to 5 dash B. Okay, we can check how much length it is. Already I took here this length. So we can check in the scale. Each one is 1.66 centimeters. This is the process of dividing the line into some n number of equal parts.